Mark Hipskin, MPM Food Equipment, U.S. distributor for the PizzaMaster oven. What we'd like to cover in this video is some of the common issues that we have with the PizzaMasters with newer users that we want to troubleshoot and show you how to get through. The first one is when you turn the oven on from 0 to 1 on the main switch, and then you go to turn on the deck with this button here. If you press and hold this too long, you will see a green light here, which is an auto mode, which refers to an auto timer that this oven does not have. In fact, almost all of our ovens do not have. So when this thing goes into auto mode by pressing and holding this too long, you then can press and it looks like the deck is dead, and they think that there is some sort of an electrical issue. In fact, it's a very easy solution. All you do, if you want to get out of this green auto mode, you just press and hold this button until the green light goes off, and then you can press, and now you'll see the oven light up and you'll see all of your displays, and it is running perfectly fine. So that's our first troubleshooting. Another troubleshooting tip that we wanted to alert you to for the PizzaMaster is if the oven is in a location where there has been some sort of an electrical issue, like a power outage, a power surge, maybe from a storm, or if the location has some sort of an energy saving device which powers down equipment and then powers them back up, sometimes the PizzaMaster will have an internal circuit breaker that does not reset. So you'll see them in the down position. This is the internal circuit breaker on each deck of the oven. You'll see down is off, and all you have to do is take this panel off the side at 6 screws on the PizzaMaster and flip up the circuit breakers. Up is on, and then come to the front of the oven and turn the main switch to 0, which is off, and then back to the number 1, which is on, and that kind of resets the oven, almost like rebooting a computer. So that is our troubleshooting tip for this session. Another troubleshooting tip with the PizzaMaster is the ribbon, the display ribbon from the back of the display panel to the circuit board, the green motherboard of the oven. We want to make sure, sometimes you'll have a deck that from the front you'll turn it on and it looks dead. There's no power, there's something wrong. Many times it is this ribbon has slowly worked its way loose from this board, maybe because the oven doors opening and closing may have jostled it loose, both on this end or on the end going into the back of the display. So you want to take off the side panel of the oven, again with 6 screws, 1 in the corners and then 2 in the middle. Take the panel away and just make sure that these are firmly in place. And the ovens now come with a little lock clasp on the top of this that you can see here that basically just fits snugly around this black piece on the display ribbon. So that is another troubleshooting tip that will actually allow you the oven to get all of the electricity needed, and you'll have full power for the oven.